Good morning, beautiful people. Are you seeing it too? Say good morning, beautiful people. So, today is Monday, August the 5th. Yes. And we are home because Taylor, you got mommy sick. I have a stuffy runny nose, and even though she's giggling and laughing, you blow me a kiss? Blow me a kiss? You got something in your eye. Got it? Let me see. Okay. Blow me a kiss? You gonna blow me a kiss? But anyway, so yeah, she had a rough night last night. Her chest is congested. She like coughing and wheezing. Not more so her nose is running, but it's mainly in her chest. Yes, I'm telling them that you're sick, and that's why we're home. So yeah, I didn't go to work today. Obviously, she didn't go to daycare, so you know I'm taking her to the doctor at 3. That's the earliest that they had. So I just want to make sure. I've been giving her some mucus and cough medicine, like Zarbees. That helps a little. I got a humidifier. So I got the humidifier going. And yeah, so we're both just sick. So Chris, he didn't even sleep with us because he doesn't need to be getting sick either. We all can't be down bad. So he didn't sleep with us. And yeah, she woke up at like 3. We was up for like an hour, like 3 a.m. She woke up coughing so bad, like. Mommy. Why you took your bonnet off? Mommy. She woke up coughing so bad, like her chest was hurting. I was like, oh my god. So I should have been had them humidifier going when she started coughing, but you know I kind of forgot. But you want to say something with your wild hair? Do you want to say something? No. What you want to say? What is that? What do you say? Okay, so I had the humidifier going. Like I said, she has an appointment at 3. Just to double check because you okay? See, it was even worse last night. So, just to make sure I'm doing everything as a mom that I'm supposed to do besides the humidifier, giving her the medicine, but I feel like it's something else I could be doing. You know, I'm finna go look. I remember seeing like a post on Facebook where you put something in their bath, like the baby's bath, and it helps. I don't know. If you know what I'm talking about, good. But I seen like you put some, I don't want to say herb, but you put like something in their bath and it helps. I'm going to look that up because we're going to do that today. So, as you saw, we just had breakfast. She had strawberries and oatmeal. I just had a bowl of... Yes, honey, yes. You want to tell them what we're doing today? Say, I just had my strawberries and oatmeal. Okay, you want to get out? Let's get out. So, I had my strawberries and oatmeal, and I just had a bowl of Honey Nut Cheerios. But we're going to get her cleaned up. Taylor is definitely not acting sick, but she is because her cough is so bad. And when I got it this morning, like my alarm started going off about 6:15, and it's like I felt weak. I ain't gonna lie, I felt weak. And Taylor had woke up at 3 a.m. so we were up for like an hour. Because she was coughing, she couldn't get comfortable. So I finally gave her more medicine. Look at her. Where you at? Where's Taylor? Taylor. See? What is going on? You're not even acting sick. But yeah, this weekend, I was off. So the original plan was me and Chris supposed to do at least 2 videos on Saturday and 1 video on Sunday. Therefore, this week we will have at least 2 or 3 uploads. And I started feeling bad on Saturday. And then it was raining, and we literally all laid around. We all laid around in bed till at least like 5 o'clock. Just chilling, and then I wasn't feeling good. So It's easier for me to vlog today simply because we did not do any videos together the weekend because, you know, you have to be in, I don't like to fake no videos. So if I'm not in the mood and like the mood isn't right and I'm not feeling good, I'm not going to do a video. But I did want to, I said, you know what, since me and Taylor home today, might as well vlog. But I don't think we're going to be doing too much. I know this, like I said, this weekend, we literally laid around Saturday. Sunday, we laid around some more. It started raining. It's like raining all weekend. So we literally been in the house the past 2 days. So maybe today, since she's acting okay, we'll probably go out. It may rain again. We may go out to the park or something, or Target or Old Navy. I really don't need to go in them stores because I always spend more than I would like to. But yeah, we'll just see. We're just going to keep going on with the day. Okay? Is that okay? Silly.
Yeah!
Well, I should not be chewing and trying to talk. That's rude. Well, we're all dressed. I mean, I got on leggings and a shirt, but Taylor's cute. Eating her lunch. Y'all, the light in this bed. I don't got the light on here. Uh-oh. No, it's gonna cover your mouth. Is it good? What you got? So I got some chicken. Okay. We having chicken, rice, cabbage, and corn. I don't know what you was crying for. Huh. Where is the sickness? I thought you were sick. Oh. Lord, we done ran this whole office. Please call Taylor Daniels to the back. Now. Now. Taylor, the person is bigger than you. Give it here. Give it. So Taylor is 24 pounds, but she had to stand up on a scale because she would not lay down. She would not sit down. Now look, let me see. Wiping your nose. Wipe your nose. You are so bad, but so precious. How that work? How that work, Taylor Bean? Trying to sneeze.
Ha! Guess who's in the video now? What do you want? I'm making my debut for the day. You already made yours. Ha ha! Look at me. How we doing? What? Whoosh. Whoosh. Guys, I'm off work. I just got off. And I met up with these guys.
I had to change my shirt, y'all.
Yeah. Oh, man. I'm not getting sick with these folks. Best believe that. I'm staying far away from that. I'm surprised I'm in this car with the windows rolled up. Nah, bro, that's dead, bro. I cannot. Immune system can't take it already. I ain't got time for this. I got things to do, baby.
Well, after the doctor, you guys, the doctor came in and Taylor actually have an ear infection in her right ear. So I'm in the pharmacy drive-through right now to get her squared away. But as you can tell in the video, Shawty don't look like she got no ear infection. Or she look like she ain't even got no cough. Bad booty. The evil laugh. Y'all was going down outside.
But it's finna go down out here. Let me see if I can get y'all a view. Look how bad that look. Oh yeah. It's finna get litty.
Yeah, like I was saying, once we get home, I'm going in my room. I'm shutting the door.
Mommy.
No, mommy, nothing. Daddy. Daddy, that's what you call from now on today. Call
So
daddy.
y'all go to bed, and then I have elected myself to go to the guest room.
They know, I told them.
I am now, they're in the quarantine room, and I'm not going in there for Nathaniel.
We need her to get home. Cause...
No, it's my time.
But you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this sick vlog. Because that's what it been.
I give up.
Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching.
I give up.
See you later. Bye. Peace.